Hello children, myself Poonam Seth. Today I am going to teach you Computer Chapter 2 Role of Computers. First of all I am starting reading. Let's start. Computer is a very useful device. Today there is widespread use of computers in almost all important activities of daily life. We can see computers at schools, homes, offices, hospitals and several other places. Let us know about the role of computers at various places. The first place is school. Report cards are prepared by your teacher with the help of computer. Computers are used in admission process, maintaining school library and collecting fees etc. Teachers take help of computers while teaching. Move to the next page. The second place is home where computers are being used. We take the assistance of computer in doing our homework and playing games. Your parents plan their monthly budget with the assistance of computer. The computer assists you in listening to music and watching movies. The computer assists us in buying things while sitting at home. Third place, Third place where we use computers, shops and hotels. Computers are used in shops to make bills, maintain records of stocks and description of sales of various items. Next place, offices. The computer assists in typing and printing documents. The computer assists in sending and receiving messages. Do you know? Messages sent and received through computers are popularly known as emails. They can reach any part of the world in seconds, which saves time and money. Move to the next page. Banks. Computers are used in maintaining the particulars and accounts of the customers. We take the assistance of computers in withdrawing money from ATM automated teller machine, updating all the accounts transactions, paying and receiving cash and checks. Next place, hospitals. Computers are used by doctors in surgery. Computers are very useful in diagnosing many diseases. Medical reports are prepared with the help of computers. Next page, airports and railway stations. Computers play an important role in reservation and cancellation of tickets of passengers. We can know about the arrival and departure of trains and flights with the help of computers. The computer helps to keep track of location, speed and direction of trains and aeroplanes. Do you know? Reservation means advance booking in trains, buses, or planes, and rooms in hotels. Computers are widely used for this purpose. Next, in designing, computers are used by architects in designing buildings, houses, and flyovers. Computers are used by engineers in designing cars, aeroplanes, and other machines. Computers are used in designing clothes, shoes, etc. Computers are helpful in designing advertisements, animations, movies, and a lot more things. Next, in publishing, computers are useful in printing newspapers, magazines, books, and pamphlets. Computer has helped in designing and printing of this book. In scientific research and defense, computers are very helpful to scientists in doing research, designing robots, and forecasting weather. Computers are very useful in launching and controlling satellites, rockets, and missiles. Next, in learning new skills. The computer assists in learning how to drive a car or how to fly an aeroplane. The computer assists in learning new skills such as various languages, typing, cooking, gardening, etc. Do you know? You gain knowledge about things such as driving without even using actual vehicles. These are known as simulators, which work with the help of computers. Useful tips: keep on saving your file on computer by pressing shortcut keys Ctrl plus S after every 2 to 3 minutes, as activating auto save feature in MS Office. It automatically saves your files. Now we have some quick recap. Our teacher uses the computer to prepare report cards. Shopkeepers use computers to prepare bills. Records of all our credits and debits are maintained by the computer in banks. Computers are used by the doctors to diagnose many diseases. We get a railway and airways seats reserved in advance much more conveniently only because of computers. Books, pamphlets, newspapers, etc. are published with the help of computers. So children, this is the summary of whole lesson. Now we have to do the exercises. First of all, we are doing exercise of words to remember. This is called word meaning. The first word is ATM. The full form of ATM is Automated Teller Machine. The meaning of this word is an advanced machine that enables us to withdraw money through it. Second word, animation. The process of making videos and computer games in which drawing or model seem to move. Third word is device. It is an equipment that has been designed to do a particular job. Now we have other exercises. Part A. Answer the following questions. First of all, we will read the questions. Later I will give you answers in the PDF. Who uses computers to make a robot to make? We are doing question answers given in the exercise. The first question is, who uses computers to make report cards? The answer is teacher uses computers to make report cards. Question number 2. What things can be published using a computer? Answer 2. Books, pamphlets, newspapers, etc. are published with the help of computers. Now, question number 3. Write any two ways in which computers are used in banks. Answer. Computers are used in banks in maintaining the accounts and paying the cash and checks. Question number 4. What is the role of computers in school? Computers are used in admission process and collecting fees, etc. Now move to the next exercise. Question number B. Multiple choice questions. Tick the correct option. The first statement is computers help us in. There are three options. We have to select the correct one. Washing, doing homework, cleaning a room. Computers help us in doing homework. Or we will tick the correct option also. Second, dash use computer in preparing medical reports. The options are doctors, teachers, engineers. The correct option is doctors. Tick the option doctors. Third, a computer assists in withdrawing money from. The options are STD, CPU, ATM. The correct option is ATM. Tick the option also. Number 4. Dash are messages sent through computers. The options are letters, items, emails. What are send messages? The correct option is emails. Now, C question is fill in the blanks with the appropriate word from those given in the box. Three words are given in the box: diseases, bills, research. And the questions are shopkeepers use computers to make. We have to take the word from the box. The appropriate word is given in the box, so we will select according the statement. Shopkeepers use computers to make bills. Second, computers help doctors in diagnosing many diseases. Third, fill in the blank. Scientists use computers in their research. Question number D. Write T for true. Write T for true statement and F for false statement. Three statements are given in this question. First is computers do not assist at shops. First is computers do not assist at shops. This is false. Question number 2. Computers do not assist in school library. This is also false statement. So we will put here F. Third, computers assist in reservation of tickets. Children, this is true statement. So we have to put T for true statement. Now, hot question. Rohan wants to become a pilot. Do you think that a computer may be helpful in achieving his ambition? If yes, how? Answer: yes, it is helpful. He can gain knowledge about how to fly a plane using stimulators. Next question is activity time. Question 1. Collect any one computerized bill and paste it in the space below. Hint: bill from a hotel, toy shop, bookshop, etc. Here you have to paste any computerized bill. Children, don't worry. If not possible to get new bill, you can paste any old computerized bill in your notebook. Now children, we have a grid. From the word grid, find the names of 5 people who use computers. One is done for you, as scientist is given in the word. Means we have to find the 5 people. Here are 5 people in the box. So we can solve this question like this. Number 1, scientist. 2, designer. 3rd, architect. 4, shopkeeper. And 5th one is engineer. Children, you look at the grid carefully. You will definitely find these 5 words in the grid. Try this fun grid yourself. Children, with this lesson is completed. Stay at home, be safe, and do your homework of this lesson. Children, with this lesson is completed. Stay at home, be safe, and do your homework of this lesson in notebook. Children, I am sending you the book pages of this lesson. You can read it.